Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. And in this video we'll be talking about how to change cover art in Spotify. So if you open the Spotify app and then go to the bottom right hand corner and open your library, and then go to your profile and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you can see here where it says show audio files from this device. Enable that, so slide it across and to turn it on. And then you can now see that local files is now appearing under your library, and there is no cover art featured there right now. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store or to the App Store, and then you want to search for Spotify, and you just want to make sure that you have got the most up-to-date version. So if you go in, search for it, and then just double check that it is the most up-to-date, and then it's kind of just hanging tight and waiting for this feature to come out, which hopefully it will do in the next update. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us. We really do appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.